Hello guys and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video, I want to share with you how to add the permanently delete items when you right click on any object or on any kind of file within your computer. So for example, when I right click on this, I can come to show more options and you can see only delete over here. So once you delete this, it's going to come into your recycle bin, which if I double click, I can bring it back if I want, or I can delete it permanently if I want. But to delete permanently, you need to follow it up to recycle bin and delete, and then this is going to prompt you that this is going to delete it permanently, this file, and you say yes, then it's going to delete it permanently for you. But there's a way to bypass this recycle bin, so you don't have to follow it up to delete permanently into the recycle bin. So this is going to be like by mere right clicking on an object or on a file, you can come to show more option over here, and you can see delete permanently as an option within this right click menu. So to do that, all you need to do is to come to this website. There's a download link. I'm going to put it in the description, so just find it, click it, and to get you this particular app, ordinarily add permanent delete option. Ordinarily you have to get to the registry and change a lot of things, but for now you just follow this simple method. Just follow this link to download this little app, and then once you double click it, it's going to automatically include permanently delete an item within your right click menu. So let's say we have downloaded ours from this link, so we just double click and say run, and we say yes, and we just enable it to continue, and it says it has already successfully added to the registry. Okay, ordinarily you have to go to the registry and add it manually, but with this it's a shortcut. You don't have to get to the registry, and it has already added it to your right click menu. So all you need to do now is to let's try to delete a simple file from here. So once you right click on this folder, okay, click on it, right click, you can see more option, and you can see permanently delete here. So you can see permanently delete, and once you hit on permanently delete, it is going to prompt you that yes, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? If you say yes, then it's going to permanently delete this, and you cannot even find it in the recycle bin. So let's say yes to this, and you can see it has deleted it. Let's check the recycle bin, and you can see it's not there, which means it has been permanently deleted with just this simple action that we just enable it. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is just how to include the permanently delete selection within your right click menu. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.